What is ad hoc testing? Ad hoc means, for example, in your college, there are certain teachers who are or professors which are permanent. There are someone who are just, you can say, called in agreement or contractual basis. They're ad hoc. So you can relate with that. Ad hoc testing is an informal way of testing. That means it has no formal way. In a formal way, we will first write the SRS, then design, then we write the test strategy will be defined, test plan will be defined, test cases will be written. All this is a formal way. But in ad hoc testing, there is no formal way, no requirement documents, no test plans, no test cases. So the characteristics of ad hoc testing is performed after all the formal testing is done. Because our main aim is to break the software by any means. Ad hoc means doing everything which is possible. So the testers who are executing the ad hoc testing, they should have a deep knowledge of the product. So even you can give it to a naive also. Because no documentation, no test design, no test case, anyone can check. You just have to break the system. How is ad hoc testing different from exploratory testing? See, exploratory testing is learning testing. In ad hoc testing, you test in order to break the system or a software. After all the testing is done, exploratory testing is starting from the scratch and trying to learn the software by testing. So in ad hoc testing is the testing of software without any documentation or requirement specification. Exploratory testing, the knowledge about the software while exploring the application. That is step by step, you learn the software while testing. Because when we go on a way and we don't know the path, we just say we are exploring. So we learn the software by means of this testing, and that is called the exploratory testing. You are finding the ways by yourself. So ad hoc testing, I told you that there is no, because it is informal. So documentation is not required. Exploratory testing, documentation is mandatory. Ad hoc testing, the main aim of ad hoc testing is to achieve the perfection in testing. Because all the other testing has already been done. Now you are doing everything to break the software. So you are trying to achieve the perfection in testing. Okay, we do everything which is possible. We need to crash or break the software. In exploratory testing, the main idea is to learn the application, to understand the application, to gain knowledge about what is happening by the means of testing. Ad hoc testing is an informal approach, but exploratory testing is totally formal approach because we are stepwise learning through testing. Ad hoc testing does not require an expert testing engineer, as I said. That is, whatever you want to give, you give. This is ad hoc. Because maybe some click or some combination of keys can break your software. Exploratory testing does not require an expert testing engineer. Because even if you are, because this is a learning curve. Anybody can do this exploratory testing. It is just learning about what is happening in the software through testing. So this is the difference between ad hoc and exploratory testing. That is, okay, this is the way exploratory is. This is the way. Oh, from here, oh, this is the new way. So we start learning.